Okay, what we're going to do today is a quick tutorial on how to do flourishes within Inkscape. I myself was looking for a tutorial on how to do this and found a few, but I found them a little confusing and not that easy to follow. So I'm going to do a simple tutorial to go through the exact steps on doing flourishes within Inkscape. First thing I'm going to start off with is a spiral in this occasion. So we'll grab the spiral. So set the turns, divergence, and in a radius, like so. Move that to the centre. Secondly, what we're going to do is create our brush. So in this instance, I will create a circle. Press Ctrl just to keep it in the correct proportions. Then go to Path, Object to Path, to turn the circle into a path. If you grab the handle on the right, while pressing Ctrl to drag, this will keep it level. So drag it out like so to create our brush or how the line will appear. Okay, secondly, now the very important part is to do the Ctrl C to copy the path, and you'll see why when we get to the main feature. So Ctrl C, now highlight the spiral and go to Path, Path Effects Editor. Now as we see here, we've got a selection of effects, and the one we actually want is Pattern Along Path. So add to that, and you remember earlier where we actually copied the brush. Here we've got clipboard, so single, got it set single stretch, voila. We now have the brush along the path. So if we turn that to black, we have the beginnings of a very nice flourish. So just to add to this a little bit, we'll create another spiral, a little bit smaller. So what we'll do is we'll actually get rid of this brush and do a slightly thinner one. We'll also edit this a little bit before we continue. So don't want it as big, and maybe a little bit more curvy. So let's create our brush again. So a smaller circle this time. So again, pressing Ctrl, Path, Object to Path, grab the handle on the right and stretch. So Ctrl, highlight the object, Ctrl C, highlight the spiral, add, paste. We've got the shape, and we can place that in position. Bear in mind we can rotate this to make it fit in. So if we just move that to over here, let's just put that at the beginning. So move the path along a little bit. There we go. You've got the general gist on how to do a flourish within Inkscape.